Dear fellow educators, my name is Gulhan Ektem.
And myself, Manjot Singh.
We will be talking about dialogical and collaborative learning principles. Dialogical or collaborative learning is a student-focused approach in which students and teachers engage in active listening, meaningful discussion, and group problem solving. Dialogical learning is based on Ferreri's pedagogy of the oppressed and Bakhtin's concept of dialogism. Dialogical learning frames education as a reciprocal exchange where teachers and students learn with and from each other. Collaborative learning focuses on learners working together in pairs or groups to achieve common goals and increasing understanding through joint creation of information. Encouraging questioning, reasoning, and forming opinions are more effective using collaborative technologies suggested by Vegriff 2013. Let's use a few examples. In a Year 8 science class, students work in lab groups or pairs to investigate hypotheses. They record observations, discuss results, errors, and how they can further improve the experiment together. In a Year 7 English class, students work in small groups to debate important items in the text and identify the author's intended meanings. They then present and debate their own views to the rest of the class. In a Year 9 history class, the teacher asked an open-ended question. What were the effects of COVID on our society? Students debate in structured groups using evidence from text, images, and videos to build on one another's opinion to reach deeper conclusions.
Dialogical and collaborative learning are effective strategies because they promote higher order thinking such as analysis of questions, combining concepts, and assessment. Mercer and Littleton argue that talk is a fundamental cultural tool in learning, not just to transfer information. Dialogical and collaborative learning principles and concepts include: first is the deep understanding. Talking about concepts allows students to clarify and improve their understanding. Second, increase engagement. Sharing ideas make learning more personal and meaningful, while discussions with fellow students provide a genuine voice for the quieter students. Third is the collaborative learning, which enhances communications skills such as active listening, speaking, and friendly disagreement. Fourth is the social and emotional benefits. They learn to value different opinions, respect others' opinion, and resolve disagreements diplomatically. Fifth is the equity and inclusion. It promotes equal participation, allowing students from many backgrounds to contribute effectively. As per Alexander 2020, dialogue accommodates for diverse voices. To put this theory into action, teacher can use practical tactics such as think, pair, share. Students think about a question, discuss it with the partner, and share it with the entire class, encouraging everyone to think and speak. Second is shared inquiry, which involves students sitting in a circle and asking open-ended questions on a text the teacher only supports. The third one is the reciprocal teaching. Students take turns as the teacher in a small group, summarizing text, asking questions, promoting leadership. The next one is the dialogical and collaborative learning. So generally turns students from being quiet, passive individual receiving information to being active participants using their opinion and voices in the learning process.